In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apollo.io to find leads. Whether you're new to lead generation or looking to enhance your current process, Apollo.io is an effective tool that can make a difference. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. This might seem like a simple step, but it's the gateway to accessing Apollo.io. Once your browser is ready, type Apollo.io into your search engine. This will take you straight to their homepage where you can log in or create an account if you haven't already. After logging in, navigate to the search functionality within Apollo.io. This is where the magic happens, and you can start customizing your search to find the leads you are interested in. Apollo.io offers robust features that allow you to narrow down your search results by using a variety of filters. These filters include industry, job titles, company size, location, and even specific keywords. Don't forget to take advantage of the email status and the date refreshed filters as well. These options are incredibly useful for making sure your data is not only relevant but also up to date, which is crucial for effective outreach. Once you've honed in on your ideal search criteria, it's time to save these configurations. Apollo.io gives you the option to save these frequently used search criteria as personas. This feature streamlines your future lead generation efforts by allowing you to jump right back into a saved search setup without starting from scratch each time. Now, after identifying the potential leads that match your criteria, the next step is to select them and add them to the appropriate lists within Apollo.io. Organizing your leads into lists makes it much easier to manage and contact them later. Once your lists are set, it's time to download them. Apollo.io allows you to customize the columns you want to include in your download. Make sure to include relevant contact information so you have everything you need for further outreach right at your fingertips. While browsing, you can also leverage the Apollo.io extension. This handy tool allows you to save leads directly from LinkedIn or company websites, adding a new dimension of convenience to your lead building strategy. It's perfect for on-the-go additions to your lead lists. When it's time to reach out, utilize Apollo's AI-assisted email builder. This tool helps craft engaging email templates with ease. You can also create customized email sequences tailored to your audience. Planning ahead is made simple by scheduling these emails to be sent automatically based on your defined sequences and timing, ensuring your outreach is consistent and timely. And that's a wrap on using Apollo.io to find leads efficiently. With these steps, you're now fully equipped to harness the full potential of Apollo.io. Happy lead hunting!